I'm done. No more of this. I'm tired of all this struggling. How long should the struggle go on for? When will I see the light? It's much easier to go and sit in a corner and cry. I felt like that yesterday. I really did. The first thing that I asked myself is, am I better today than I was yesterday? Am I emotionally better? Am I spiritually better than yesterday? Am I financially better than yesterday? And as soon as the question is no, no, and no on whatever else is in your life, then you need to know that you have a problem. And I knew that I had a problem. I knew I had to come out of this darkness into the light again. And I had to get rid of the self-doubt. And I have to go into a place that I've been many, many times, into a place where I have a positive mindset, where I'm looking forward to tomorrow, because I know tomorrow I will be better than I am today. Now, when I looked at that, I told myself the only way for me to be better tomorrow than today is to sit here and make this video. Because yesterday, I didn't want to do so. Because the self-doubt had me. The negativity had me. I was in my little corner crying. So no, today I'm not better than I was yesterday. Because yesterday was full of negativity and despair.